In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Typeform survey into your GoHighLevel VSL funnel page and connect it to your thank you page. We'll walk through the full setup in a simple, practical way so your survey appears neatly on the page and sends visitors to the right next step after they submit their answers. To begin, head over to Typeform and open the survey you want to use. Once your form is ready, go to the Share panel where you'll find the embed options for that form. This is where Typeform gives you the code needed to place the survey on an external page. Copy the embed code carefully because this is what will allow the form to display inside your funnel page instead of sending people away to a separate link. Next, log into GoHighLevel and open the VSL funnel page where you want the survey to appear. From there, launch the page builder so you can edit the layout directly. Think about where the survey fits best in the visitor journey. In most cases, placing it directly below the VSL video works well because it creates a natural transition from watching the video to taking action. If it makes more sense for your page design, you can also place it alongside the video, as long as the section feels clean and easy to use. Once you're in the builder, add a custom JS HTML element to the page. This element is what allows you to insert external embed code that standard text or form blocks won't support. Drag it into position, then open the code area and paste in the Typeform embed code you copied earlier. After pasting it, give the page a moment and check that the code is sitting cleanly in the block without extra characters or broken formatting. After that, go back to Typeform and set the redirect URL for the form. This step is important because it controls where users go after they complete the survey. Enter the URL of your GoHighLevel thank you page, then click Save to apply the change. That way, once someone submits the form, they'll be sent directly to the next page in your funnel. Before publishing, preview the page and test the full experience yourself. Make sure the Typeform loads properly, looks good on the page, and redirects correctly after submission. If everything works smoothly, your survey is now fully embedded into your GoHighLevel VSL funnel and ready to capture responses in a seamless way.